Hi, sir. Thank you very much for giving your time today again for recording such a nice video. And this, I believe, will be one of the record-breaking videos which none of the people have ever done. And they want their clients to come back to them again and again, faking their clients, faking their astrology, faking our Samita, faking everything. These people don't care about what is happening when these people hide all these truths. I'm really very much thankful to you that you are giving out all the secrets of astrology and you're helping out people. And especially, I thank you for giving 30th August for the Dev Prashna. And we'll be
All
talking
right.
about the courses where people can really in a small amount start judging their own future. No need to go back and back to the astrologers, although we will be supporting them if they take the course from our side. We'll be giving them lifetime support as you mentioned, and of course we will be guiding them with the two modules of courses also. One is a short course of 2 months and the other one is a full course of 3 months, which is a very very reasonable amount. We will be speaking about the amounts afterwards because we are not promoting the amount right now. And sir, the astrological secret about blank charts, about Lal Kitab, which is actually misconcepted as Persian version of invasion to astrology. Sir, you have got such a nice hold on the power of Rudraksh, which is very difficult to be seen with the astrologers today. And sir, which we know as Ravan Samhita. Now, a lot of people have got a misconception about the demilord Ravana because he himself was a Swarup granted by the womb of Shiva.
True, true.
So he was directly or indirectly having the biggest priestly power. And in fact, if we see the book of mythologies, Sri Ram himself could have given Lakshman the gyan of the gyan, but he asked, "Go to Ravan, take the gyan from him."
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. Firstly, thank you, Jagdish, for giving me this opportunity to talk to you. It's been quite some time since we have spoken and especially spoken to our audience. Things are like that only. So before we start, let me just say hello to your audience and all the people who are listening to the video. And please be safe. Obey all the rules of the corona. It's really bad out there. Stay safe, keep your family safe, and then cheer up. Don't worry, it's going to go away. It's that's how we need to establish ourselves. So let's talk about Lal. Actually, let me come up with the story. Why actually? Why is it there need to talk about Lal? What happened is there are two kinds of people right now who are coming, to me, and I'm sure also coming to you as we were discussing that day. There are two kinds of people. One is the people who are getting a major hit from this economic situation, especially in terms of fixed assets. They are now, have gone into eating up their savings because employment is low or nil and money is not coming. So the second house is affected heavily. And secondly are the people who we and other astrologers as well, if they're listening to this video, would encounter where the native has done every remedy under the earth for a certain ailment, and he has not got the results completely to his satisfaction. It is rare. I'm not saying that everybody would be doing like this or everybody experience like this, but it is rare. But it does happen to every astrologist now and then. So let me say by percentage, every 2 in 10, 2 or 3 people in the 10, the scale of 10 out of 10, 2 or 3 people would be coming to you and then saying, we have done all the remedies, we have gone to major astrologers, to the finest and the best and whatever, blah, blah, blah. We have spent so much money and that. So, so this is the major problem. And as you rightly said, Chandelier Astrology and Astro Help are there to help these people out. Let me clarify to all my audience that we are not selling any courses. We don't want you to join our courses. Okay? We just want you to help yourself, buddy. Forget about helping others. These are time to survive. Help yourself. आप अपने आप की मदद कर लो, अपने आप को ठीक कर लो, तो बाकी आपके परिवार भी ठीक हो जाए, तो सब ठीक हो जाए. हमारे कोर्स लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. कोई जरूरत नहीं है हमसे पढ़ने लिखने की. आप खुद पढ़ लो. कोई दिक्कत है तो हमारे पास आ जाना. कोई दिक्कत है तो हमारे पास आ जाना. हम बाकी संभाल लेंगे, आपस में बात कर ले, देखिए बातचीत करके कम्युनिकेशन करके एवरीथिंग कैन बी सॉल्व एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ द मेजर लेसन फ्रॉम दिस कोरोना थिंग. Let's have all a level head work together. Okay, now let's coming to the first query is in a blind chart. Now blind chart by itself is a huge topic. So wrap it up. I'm going to wrap it up very quickly. Whenever Venus is in 8th house, Rahu is in 8th house, and 10th house is afflicted from its enemy planets, the 10th house. Now remember, 4th and 10th are unique houses. Okay, both of them initiate. Both 4 and 10 initiate an event and end an event. That is why 10th house is especially 10th house because 10th house is called a mid-heaven house. सब कुछ खत्म कर देता है 10th house और सब कुछ start भी करता है 10th house. तो 4 and 10 का इतना ज़्यादा वो है importance है.
And
देखिए 4th house.
sir, just to speak about this, none of the astrologers are disclosing to their clients, which we are specially talking about right now. None of the astrologers will disclose this to their clients. This is the place where they earn everything. Please, sir.
Yeah, sure, absolutely. Because they don't discuss of two reasons. One is I don't think they are confident of their own knowledge. Secondly, I don't think they have tried out in different charts, have that kind of experience. And secondly, they don't want to discuss because they think discussing this will lose money. As I said, keep your money to yourself, guys. This is, if you're listening to this, not about money. We're going to help you generate money, that's for sure. Now we will work together and help you generate money, but this particular video is certainly not about it. So this is 4th and 10th house, one starts and one ends. That is why if you see the 4th house is the house of the moon, and the 4th house is also the exaltation house of Jupiter, one of the best planets. There are so-called best planets. We are going to talk about why Jupiter is not in Kali Yuga with an example, maybe in a later video. So, and 10th house, as you can see, is the debilitation house of Jupiter. It destroys everything. And the exaltation house of Mars, because Mars rises from here, the killer rises. So you must understand this. So anytime your assets or the second house gets afflicted, don't go look here and there all the planets and this and that. Quickly look at your 10th house. If 10th house is empty, your second house will also be dormant. It would be sleeping. It is very important to have a planet in 10th house. If you don't have a planet in 10th house, you need to activate your second house. So any planet that comes into 10th house, why? Very simple. Because 10th house is the 9th from 2nd. Bhavat Bhavam, the concept of Bhavat Bhavam, one of the most principal pillars of astrology. Bhavat Bhavam, it's the 9th from 2nd. So we'll discuss it elaborately when we come together.
So also to add over here, although Jupiter and Shani, they have a relation of Guru and Shishya, but still
Absolutely.
Jupiter gets debilitated in the house of Shani.
In the house of Shani, because Jupiter cannot survive the Shani Sarakatva of massive, simple saying, 10th house is all about work, and Jupiter doesn't want to work. And this is where in Kali Yuga Jupiter becomes one of the most malefic. We will discuss an illustrated example when a person has died because of Jupiter. Now
Yes.
this will be a very unique thing. I don't think anybody would be talking about this about Jupiter.
Because
Nobody has talked about this.
even Nadi people, they don't talk about the retrogression of Jupiter. They never take retrogression of any planets. So this is a unique. This is a unique thing which we will be talking. This is something.
That is where they go wrong. Especially all the KP people and the Nadi people also, they don't take reputation. They don't take retrogression. They don't take debilitation. Neither they take any kind of conjunctional. For them, they don't exist. But let me tell you, or neither do they take Navamsha. Let me tell you, any KP astrologer worth his salt will fail miserably if he doesn't take all these things into consideration. Also the degree and the moon placement of the day of the event. If the moon is not signifying the event, whatever KP says, I don't care. Whatever KP says, if the moon. Now this is where Bhrigunandi Nadi comes into picture. Bhrigunandi Nadi simply says, if the moon doesn't say this is going to happen, I'm going to give you the example of that person who had died by pointing out the moon. Just whenever do the video. Anyway, so if your second house gets afflicted, you're not earning money, don't go anywhere. Don't go into all this, pammo jumbo nonsense. Go straight to your 10th house. Your 10th house is the keyhole where you need to लेके वो कुंजी है. वो जो हम एग्जाम में छुपा के लेके जाते थे ना, कुंजी छोटी छोटी मिलती थी, वो 10वां घर वही है, कुंजी है. अब सवाल ये आता है कि सपोर्ट कहां से मिलेगा? वेरी सिंपल. सेकंड हाउस को सपोर्ट मिलता है 4th हाउस. सेकंड हाउस को सपोर्ट मिलता है 4th हाउस. क्योंकि सेकंड हाउस का परमानेंट सिग्निफिकेंट जुपिटर है, फोर्थ हाउस जुपिटर में एक्सॉल्टेड होता है, फोर्थ हाउस में चंद्रमा है, चंद्रमा यानी शिव जो सबके ऊपर बैठे हुए हैं, तो सेकंड हाउस को सपोर्ट मिलता है फोर्थ हाउस से, इसलिए फोर्थ हाउस प्लैनेट है। और सिर्फ फोर्थ हाउस प्लैनेट नहीं होगा, यहाँ पर एक चीज और बता दूं मैं, जो कि बार बार एक चीज आता है, एस्ट्रोलॉजर से कंप्लेन करते हैं कि फोर्थ हाउस को हमने ट्रीटमेंट कर दिया, फोर्थ हाउस को सपोर्ट दे दिया, लेकिन हमको नहीं मिला रिजल्ट। लेट मी टेल यू, आज कौन सा प्लैनेट पकड़ा, उन्होंने कहा कोई भी प्लैनेट, जुपिटर पकड़ा, वीनस को, बोले वो प्लैनेट का आपने ट्रीटमेंट कैसे की? डिड यू जस्ट ट्रीट द प्लैनेट और ट्रीट द जेनेटिक्स ऑफ द प्लैनेट? और वो क्या होता है?
So one thing I would like to speak over here. I remember the concept of yantras. Please don't forget to speak about the yantras, which you gave to me
Oh,
and
yes.
helped me a lot also.
I believe I have you have the image of the yantra. Can you just share the screen when we talk about the yantra?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Yeah. So this was because I'm talking about this because I just made this yantra yesterday for a client of mine. She was suffering heavily due to venous affliction, and I had to make this yantra after doing home and yajnas. And I have also had experience with this kind of yantra where business people have immediately got greatly relieved. Yantra gives you relief instantly.
Sir,
So this is the
sir, one thing,
coming back to
sir, one thing. Sorry, I'm cutting you over here, but
it's okay,
this is
absolutely.
the yantra is a secretive remedy which lot of the
Yeah.
people have wiped up from astrology, and they are trying.
Yeah.
Even though like knowledgeable astrologers like you are there, but very few of them they come in front of the cameras. I'm very thankful to you that you have come in front of the cameras and you're speaking about the yantras. If lot many people remember, on their doorstep they used to have the image of sun. Our elders, they used to keep sun, moon or something. That was the secret yantras, which our
Yes,
forefathers
that's
also
true,
never spoke. It was a secretive
Yes.
knowledge, and this knowledge is with you,
Yes.
and you are
Yeah.
openly giving it.
Well,
People should be thankful to you that you are.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Well, this knowledge has been given by my two gurus. One is the spiritual guru, my Gurudev Kapil ji from Haridwar. As I said, he comes from this great lineage of gurus, and the KT sir, KT Subhakar, the legendary master of Nakshatra Jyotish and astrology. They have, I had the blessings, and I was, quite privileged that they gave me this power of yantras. They gave me this permission to, do something with yantras. I mean, and secondly, it's a very, very tough science. Believe me, Jagdish, if you share the screen, this yantra took 3 hours for me to make, while another guy whom I have assigned was doing the home and yajna. And to start this yantra, I had to undergo a lot of rituals like Ganesh Puja. Then I had to should or sanctify the areas with Gomutra and Gangajal. Then do the puja of the particular god that I was making yantra
And
for,
also,
as well as Ganesh.
and also, I remember it was a very special time for you, which you had to ask your family. Sorry, I could not. You could not give that time to your family just to save the
That's true.
just to save that person.
Exactly, because you need to keep quiet. For the whole time, you need to keep quiet. I have you have to be focused because the speed which coronavirus now has, highlighted that whatever we are saying, there is a spit coming from. Spit should not come into the yantra. That is why we need to be very quiet. So 3.5 hours, you need to be quiet and completely focused on this yantra. Because I'll tell you, one mistake of the yantra and the whole yantra will go away. You have to make it again. And then you have to also choose that special nakshatra and the hora time in which you have to start making the yantra and finish it. You pass this and then you have to wait for another day. So it's very difficult, and most of the people are not doing this yantra because they want quick money or they simply don't know how to make a yantra. It's very difficult to make a yantra, and if you see that yantra, can you share this right now?
Sir.